Howdy y'all, this is Kathy. This is another little spiral bound Halloween journal that I made. It's covered in the sticky backed velvet. It has 31 pages. You could use it as a Halloween journal or a October daily. It has the bulldog clip closure and then again a little star charm. On the inside is a library card holder and then just some tags and things there. This is a little library card with a little Dollar Tree book blackboard tag, a stamp. Oh, that's a little, actually it's a sticker I made. And then, like I say, these are just very blank little journals. That one has a little sticker on there, a little witch tag. This is just a digital All Hallows Eve. The pumpkin and apple patch. Again, a little pumpkin. A little sticker. Another little tag that I made that's a sticker. And then a little raven. Some graph paper. The Wicked Witch of the West and the Flying Monkeys. This is just a little guest check. You could use this as a tag, or you could write a recipe on there. This is again a Dollar Tree little ghost, and it said things that go bump in the night. And then Salem Broom Company. A little Hocus Pocus. And then just a little tuck spot with several little tags in there. And then again, a pencil. So that's that one. This one is called Halloween. It's for sale in my Etsy shop. And I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.